Do you know a high percentage of Black women use hair straightening chemicals like relaxers, hair dyes, and highlights, especially during the early stages of their lives? Recent studies show possible links between these hair products and cancer in Black women. On the 17th of October 2022, researchers at the U.S. National Institute of Health published a study which shows that women who use chemical hair straighteners and relaxers may have a higher risk of uterine cancer. Lead author of the study and head of the NIEHS Environment and Cancer Epidemiology Group, Alexander White, has this to say.
These products can contain a lot of different chemicals of concern. Women who reported using chemical straighteners or relaxers had about a twofold higher risk of going on to develop uterine cancer. So these chemicals are placed on your scalp and they can be absorbed into your bloodstream, and then they circulate throughout your body.
Developing studies conducted over a period of 25 years prove that these chemicals in relaxers, oils, and leave-in conditioners may contain compounds with estrogen or endocrine disrupting chemicals that could influence breast cancer risk and other variants of cancer that grow in response to hormones.
Endocrine disrupting chemicals are any external chemicals that can affect the endocrine or hormone system. These chemicals can be either synthetic or natural chemicals. So the most commonly found endocrine disrupting chemicals in personal care products are phthalates, which are found in synthetic fragrances, parabens, which is a commonly used preservative, and then as well as bisphenol A, also known as BPA, which can be found in plastics and packaging. So I do not use any harsh chemicals or chemical straighteners on my hair. I have been natural for almost 14 years, and I'm truly passionate about using naturally derived products that don't contain endocrine disrupting chemicals. And this journey for me is what inspired me to create my hair care product line, which is free from endocrine disrupting chemicals and only contains ingredients that are natural or naturally derived.
Peer pressure does influence individuals on whether they use relaxers or not. Well, Soul Train in the 70s, a lot of their commercials had talked about relaxers, and they knew that that would influence the youth into using more relaxers, as well as C.J. Walker in the 1900s became a millionaire because of the need of women wanting to change their hair to more straighter texture. And even up to today, Black Hollywood, straight hair is something that's associated with beauty.
This is that I've had contact with. Of course, there are women that come, do their treatment, they are cured, they go into remission, but for those that I have contact with, I would say probably 5%. Commonest is breast cancer, followed by ovarian cancer, uterine cancer, then the last is cancer of the cervix. So I have never met a Black woman with cancer of the uterus. Is the study, the result is quite significant. It has to be peer reviewed, and we need more studies before it's gospel.
With this research, do you think Black women would stop using chemical hair straightening products like relaxers?